It's time for us to shift focus to more breaking updates we're picking up this morning. Himachal Pradesh governor has written to Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh to step up vigil in Kinnaur, Lahaul Spiti, as both are sharing boundaries with China. Now, the governor has urged Rajnath Singh to strengthen deployment of army in these areas. Modes of communication and roads also that he is saying must be improved in remote border areas. The governor in his letter has said that there is an urgent need of an airstrip in Spiti for prompt deployment of our forces as well. Amandeep, my colleague, joining us with more details. Amandeep, if you could first up take us through in detail the contents of the letter that has been written by Governor of Himachal Pradesh to the Raksha Mantri.
Yes, exactly, Christine. Just because after the Ladakh face-off, the governor of Himachal Pradesh has showed the concern just because Kinnaur and Lahaul Spiti, these are the two districts sharing the boundary around 260 kilometers with Tibet and China. So this is the reason they have written the letter to the Union Raksha Mantri to step up the vigil, and in fact they have also demanded the independent deployment of the army just because so far there is only one independent brigade in the army that is deployed in the Poo area of Kinnaur district. And beyond this, there are certain remote areas on the borders of China. They are not having the proper source of communication and neither the road. So the governor also urged the Raksha Mantri to develop the areas so that there should be no such communication gap, and in fact the governor has also demanded an airstrip in the Spiti area just to prompt the deployment of forces in the border areas, just because after the Ladakh face-off, Himachal Pradesh is also sharing the border with China, so they are expecting such kind of incidents in their own areas. Just to avoid all these and just to give the prompt response, the development should be done there so that there should be no communication gap. So this is the demand they have made from the Raksha Mantri, and in fact a letter was properly written. And beyond this, there is a tunnel that touches to Manali and Lahaul Spiti, which is about to open, which will be a smooth road transportation to Lahaul Spiti, and in fact the army trucks and defense transportation would be eased through that tunnel. It was also mentioned in that letter. These are the such demands after showing the concern about the security of Himachal Pradesh and in fact on the China borders about these two districts, Lahaul Spiti and Kinnaur. Yes, Kishri.
Alright, so Himachal governor writing a letter to the Raksha Mantri saying that there needs to be an infrastructure build-up as far as Kinnaur and Lahaul Spiti are concerned because they are sharing the border with China, and given the current situation at the LAC, importance must be given to these areas as well. But Amandeep, if you could help us understand the current ground situation as it stands. This kind of feedback really coming in from all of those who are residing at the border areas. What is the current mode of communication and infrastructure looking like, given that now the governor is urged for an improvement as far as reaching out to the Raksha Mantri is concerned?
Yes, Christine, so far the government is making all the efforts to get connected with those who are staying in the remote areas, in fact on the China border. In fact, sufficient communication is there, road transportation is there, but when in incidents like Ladakh face-off all of a sudden happen, so there has to be more deployment of the forces and the communication sources will have to be improved. For taking the note of that, that's why the governor of Himachal Pradesh has written to the Raksha Mantri. So in any case of urgency, just to avoid any communication gap, there has to be sufficient transportation and communication sources to send the forces in a very short notice. Just because so far there are certain areas which are dealing by the state government and they are providing only the necessary things, just because the state government have good amount of information the way they are dealing with the China borders. But now, after the Ladakh face-off, there is a serious
Yes, so the governor says that there's an urgent need for an airstrip in Spiti, and so that there can be prompt deployment of forces in the area, because given the current situation and how China can really not be trusted yet again, now one needs to make sure that at least on our side we're very well prepared. Thank you, Amandeep. We'll leave it at that.